channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments and subscribing to my channel.
Today we are going to see emperor fish fry. I bought the whole fish and I have taken the pieces for frying. I normally wash it with sea salt along with the turmeric powder. First we have to remove the blood stains. If you're not able to remove by hand, use the toothpick to remove it and then coat it with turmeric powder and wash them well. After washing thoroughly, drain out the water from the fish, and today we are going to see a very mild spice level of marination which can be eaten even by the kids. In a plate, take 2 teaspoons hot chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 1/4 salt, corn flour 2 tablespoons, half a lemon, remove the seeds and squeeze the juice. Mix them well using hand or spoon. For this fish quantity, I am just adding 1 teaspoon of water. And finally, we are going to mix half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Do not use too much of ginger garlic paste, then the ginger garlic paste will dominate. Now we coat the fish with the masala and we'll keep it in the freezer for 1 hour, and after 1 hour we are going to fry the fish. Take a fry pan and add 2 teaspoon oil and add the fishes for frying. After cooking for 5 minutes, now we flip them. I like to cook on this side for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, squeeze lemon juice and on top of it add pepper powder. Now we flip it for the second time. Allow it to cook on this side. Now again we will flip it for the last time. After 2 minutes we remove from the flame and our fish fry is ready to serve.
Try this recipe at home. See you in the next video. Bye.